All right, cabin 8250, and I'm at 17% power. Let me see if I can do this room tour before my battery runs out. Woo! All right, he separated the beds. Whoop, whoop. For those of you who have not seen my other videos, because somebody is going to ask this, why do I prefer to have the beds separate when I'm a solo cruiser? When I'm a solo cruiser, and be just as great to have, you know, one large big bed. I prefer to have two separate beds because I am not used to having a whole big old giant bed by myself, and I only need one bed, right? So that helps me in the fact that, hey, I can just take that and set it on the other bed, open it up, and don't have to unpack anything, right? And also my backpack. Can set my backpack and my carry-on luggage on the bed. Don't have to worry about putting stuff in drawers and in cabinets, closets, hanging up, all that good stuff. None of my clothes get wrinkles except for one shirt that I'm really considering getting rid of it or at least swapping it out for something else. So I don't worry about hanging clothes up. If you haven't seen my packing video, I'll link that to this video as well. But that is the reason why I prefer to have two beds instead of one. So let's check out this stateroom. All right, y'all, I am still here on Carnival Liberty. Let me press mute on this TV. A chat is on the screen, giving some kind of info. All right, so week 2 on Carnival Liberty, and here is my second stateroom. It is probably exactly the same as my first one. So if you didn't see the first video, last week I was in cabin 8354, which is an interior, and this is an interior right around the corner. So my other cabin, when I got off the elevator, when I got off the midship elevators, I made a left to go to my room. This time I'm near the front elevator and I make a right. I guess depending on which way I'm standing. When I go to the even side, I make a right to get to my cabin. So that's what this is. And I'm not going to get too much into the details. A little bit I will, because it's almost exactly the same. So I will link that video in the description. So if someone is trying to see the details of these rooms. Oh, that's crooked. Listen, OCD. If somebody trying to see the details of these cabins, they can check out the other video that I had. So I'm thinking now there must be some outlets behind here. Huh. Why is that important? Because if I don't need these lamps and I see the cords are going to the other side, then I can use this spot. All right, that's better. Now I'll be able to reach the light switch no matter which bed I'm on. And it doesn't matter to me if I sleep on the right or the left. When I first came in, he had the beds together, and I did request that they separate them. It's weird. It looks like, well, maybe because I just sat on it. Anyway. Yeah, so this is fine, and now I know that this switch operates this light and it operates that one. And y'all look, they brought me some fruit. I'm not really sure what that's for. Yeah, so when I turn that light on, that one comes on too. And I need to order me some water. If you order bottled water, this is what they look like. They are 16.9 ounces. Yeah, 16.9 ounces. I get a 12 pack. And it is $14.95 plus 18% gratuity plus a tax. I'm surprised that there's a tax on it. But anyway, $18.98 for 12 packs of bottled water. Let me see what this says. Is this why they brought me fruit? Dear Miss Linnell, on behalf of the entire Carnival family, welcome aboard. We are delighted to have you sailing with us as a back-to-back guest. We hope you'll make yourself at home yourselves at home, enjoy our goodies and get ready for all the fun activities and entertainment we have planned for you. Okay, so back-to-back cruisers get a bottle of wine. Y'all, I don't drink. Not like that. If I open this thing, I'll probably drink 3 sips and that would be it. This fruit though, this is going to be perfect for me in the evenings when I get hungry. All right, let me just quickly check out the rest of the room. See if everything looks kosher. See if everything is nice and clean. Oh, this shower head does not have the rotating, adjusting shower head like I had before. It's more like a paddle. So that's one thing that's different. It still goes up and down. Did I show the thing? All right. It still goes up and down. Everything else looks the same. Looks like it's a smaller drain. That doesn't really matter. This is still in the same spot. So yeah, I think I'm gonna miss that because I really enjoyed having that adjustable shower head. And let's see, I did meet him in the hallway when I told him, my stateroom attendant, he said to call him Sue. I did ask him to give me some extra washcloths and that I don't need the room clean and all that good stuff. So it looks like he did it. And I actually grabbed some more on a cart that was outside. I did ask the lady who was out there and she said that that's fine. So let's see, let me see, we got tissue. We got enough tissue. Yep, we got enough tissue for the week. We got some facial tissue as well. And so this cabin looks to be fine. Everything's nice and clean. I'm not going to worry about the sink stopper because I have a laundry room here. And I did wash already. I'm probably going to wash every day. Oh, this has a ladder. Don't know why. There's no extra bed in here. Or is there? Oh, this has the beds that come down. I think. Yeah. Please call Stuart for assistance with the extra bed. All right. So this room can hold 4 people. Obviously I am not going to be using those beds, but if someone is booking this, that ladder was the clue. And also it has more than 1 or 2 life vests. Wait, no, that's just 2 life vests. Let me see, is there 2 in the other one here? What, 1? Oh, there's the other one, 2. All right, so this cabin that will be holding little old me is for 4 people. Alrighty. And I guess they are supposed to, I stuck my purse in here. I guess they are supposed to share the 1 ladder. Let's see, do I have a fridge? Alright. Am I opening it wrong? Yeah, because I'm pulling on this side because on the other cabin it was on that side of the room. So the handle kind of had me tripped up a little bit, but yeah, it's pretty nice and cold. Yep, I'll be able to keep my bottle of water in there. Speaking of which, I need to order right now. Let's see, thermostat. It's kind of warm in here, but it's all the way down, so not sure what that is all about. Check out the drawers real quick. That one kind of sticks. All right, so if you get this cabin, be ready for these drawers to stick a little bit. Let me see what all they got over here. Nothing different. So the only thing that's different is the room is turned around opposite to the other room. So the fridge is on that side instead on this side. And my stateroom attendant is a different person. Not that that matters to you. And I have fruit because I'm a back-to-back cruiser. All right, so I did notice something else in this cabin. I quickly looked at this closet and yep, it has the same shelves that are in the other closet. The main thing about this is there's no safe in here. So I was like, well, where's the safe? Because there's always a safe. This one was my snack cabinet before. So now I have to put my snacks in a different spot. But look at there. There is your safe. Much smaller and different color safe, but a safe nonetheless. So that is it for this cabin. If you have any questions, I would say leave them in the comments below. But if you have questions about, oh, there's the little luggage mat thingy. Okay. I don't need that anyway, but that's where it was. If you have any questions or comments about this stateroom, I would say first go over to the other video, 8354, and check that out so you can see more in detail what a cabin, interior cabin on deck 8 on Carnival Liberty looks like. And then if you still have some questions, I'll leave them in the comment section below. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll reply to them as soon as I get a chance. That's all. What time is it? It is 4:57. I have about an hour before dinner. I'm supposed to go do something. I need to get off of this video and I need to go order my bottled water. And oh, I wanted to tell you all, when you do back-to-back cruises, I'm going to make a video about that too. So if it's not already up, it'll be coming soon. Not sure which one I'm going to post first. But if you do a back-to-back cruise with Carnival Liberty, I'm not sure if it's with all Carnivals because this is the first time I've done a back-to-back cruise with Carnival. I've done it with Royal several times, Royal Caribbean several times. But this is the first time I'm doing a back-to-back cruise with Carnival. And they gave me a card for a free drink and a free photo. Y'all know you got to roll for the photos, but I might just go take it and then take a picture of it. Get the free photo and then take a picture of it so I have it. But I'm not keeping the hard copy, obviously. I have no room in my luggage. And they also give you, we know about the fruit and the wine. And they also give you a card for free beverage up to $12.95. So it can be alcoholic beverage. But also, me with my introvert self who I usually don't talk to people. So this cruise life is bringing something out of me that I don't even know what's happening because I'm talking to everybody now. Yeah, I met some new friends over in the back-to-back line. And when we got over to, their Saints fans too, they had their Saints outfits on and we watched the games together. Who that? Saints won today. Ha! Yep, we beat them boys. Let me stop because somebody go unsubscribe just for that comment. They are diamond, or maybe they get drinks on us everywhere in the casino, everywhere on the ship instead of just a casino like me. All right, that's it for now. Talk to y'all later, and as usual, hope to see you on the next cruise.